If you want to change the number of beats allocated to each step in the chord sequencer, you can do this. Shift, menu, go from volume across to beat and press enter, and change this to whatever you like. So if you want each step in the sequencer to be 1 beat long, change it to 1. Let's check what that sounds like. Exit, exit again, go to step 1 and put in a chord. Go to step 2, put something in. Step 3, step 4, just putting some random things in. And I've filled my sequencer up with 8 steps. Now when I press play, let's hear what happens. Great, 1 beat per step. If I want it to be, let's say, 8 beats per step, go to 8 and press play. You get the idea. You can see it's flashing 8 times to indicate the 8 beats per step. If I want to make it even faster, shift, menu, enter. Let's go to not 1 beat, but let's go to half a beat. So this is like it's got quavers or 8th notes in here. Exit, exit again. Nice. Shift, menu, we're already at beat, enter. Now I can go to say 1-4, 16th notes or semiquavers, exit, exit again. So that's how you change the number of beats per step in the step sequencer of the J6 chord sequencer.